Hello. We did a little poll last week on Facebook and asked you if you wanted to find out about anti-aging tips or skin concern problems, and you chose anti-aging. So here they are, my whistle-stop tour of my top 6. The first one, it's an obvious one, SPF. People say, do I need to wear it in winter? Yes, you do. Did you realise that UVA can penetrate about 50 to 60% through glass? Not good, especially when you're driving, hitting that side of your cheek. I can see patients who drive for a living, they've got a lot of sun damage through their right side. Tan from here downwards if you need to. Fake tan it, do whatever you need to do, but it's one of the biggest ages is the sun rays, so just stop. Second tip, routine is really important. A lot of people come and they get started on a skincare regime and then they lose interest. You have to have a routine. It's like getting up and cleaning your teeth. Make it part of your day and night, vigilantly, religiously. You'll thank yourself. You will get the benefits. Haven't got time? Make time. When you get in from work, do it straight away. You're too tired come 10 o'clock at night. So do it when the children are having their tea or you've got 5 minutes. Make the time. What's my third on my list? Recognize that your skin needs different things at different ages. So what your skin needs in your teens is very, very different to what it needs in the 20s, 30s and 40s. If you don't know what it needs, go and get some professional advice. Get your skin scanned, find out what your requirements are and meet them. There's one pot of cream that's not going to see you through every single decade. The number of patients that have come in to see me and they've got a pot of cream, naming no names, and they've used that since their 20s. So make sure that you're giving your skin what it requires at each decade that you're in. My next one, don't be afraid of treatments. A lot of people put them off. They just procrastinate because they're worried about looking strange or weird. Come and get advice. Find out the facts. Let's dispel the myths. You may not need them yet, but it's something that you can look to when you are ready for them. So don't be afraid just through lack of information. Fifth on the list, nourish. Nourish your skin from inside out. So I've learnt over the years that yes, we can't all be saints and we can't have a purist lifestyle, but majority of the time eat really, really well. I'm a big fan of nutraceuticals and vitamins and minerals and gut health, taking supplements, but ones that will be really absorbed. So again, seek advice on that. You can really look at somebody and they may not be doing that many things with their skin, but if they've got an amazing diet and healthy kind of lifestyle, you really can see that through the skin. My last one, it sounds a bit frivolous, but a silk pillowcase. If there's one thing you treat yourself to, get yourself a silk pillowcase. I know, I sound like a princess, but honestly, they work. They help keep moisture into the skin. And as we get to a certain age, and I'm there, if you wake up and you've crumpled your face on a cotton pillowcase, those lines can be there till the afternoon. So silk pillowcase, no brainer. Buy yourself 2, ask for a birthday present or Christmas present, have one in the wash, one on your pillow. Don't let anybody steal it or borrow it. You'll thank me. They're my top 6. I hope that was really helpful. Take care.